Okay, in this video, what we're going to cover are the end screen annotations and the cards. Now, what these do is these are enhancements to your video. So once you've uploaded your video, there's some really cool things that you can add to make your video interactive, give great things for downloads and so on. And it works fantastic on desktop, incredible on mobile. Okay, so they really have these really cool things for mobile devices, but I'm going to just show you on my desktop here. Now, I typically, enhancements is really kind of adding color. You can change things, stuff like that. And the same with audio. I do not use either one of these myself because once I've created a video and I've uploaded, it's pretty much a done and final product, so I'm good to go. So I don't use these myself. Now, end screens and annotations, I'm sure you've seen these, but let me show you how they work and kind of the best way to use them. What happens is that an end screen is the last 20 seconds of a video. And what you do is you go here to Elements, click on it, and it will allow you to create an element on here, a subscribe area, promote another channel, or actually in a link. Okay, so what you do, and you can have actually up to, I believe, 5. So I'm going to do one. I'm going to create a new playlist. Now the reason I would do this is, let's say I have something here that's talking about something cool, like in marketing, and I want them to see the next video that would make sense. So I have this content strategy to grow your social media, right? So this one, and you can slide these around, you can move them around, things like that. Okay, so that's going to pop up when it's done. The other thing is I want to definitely get my subscribers up, so I'm going to click create, and it added my subscriber button, and I might just move that over here because that's kind of what people are used to seeing. And if I wanted to, I could click create a link to see an image. Okay, so I'm going to do that, and I'm going to use the free book that I have. And you do have to connect your page, and my call to action is going to be download, and I'm going to upload an image for that, which I already have ready, and I create element. Now the nice part about this is now this is going to be on here, and then all I have to do to make sure everything sticks is click the button, save button. If I wanted to delete an element, I just click on the pencil icon, and I can click that and trash button, and it will delete it. Okay, so I'm going to cancel, but I'm going to show you what they look like right now. So I click save, everything says all changes saved. We're going to go directly to the video. I'm going to open it up in a new link, so I can just keep that one there.
Hey, Mike Healy here, and I am inviting you to register for the webinar I'm doing.
Okay, we'll see if it pops up. I might have to, okay, I might have to replay it one more time, because sometimes it does take a minute for it to load. There they are. So let me push pause real quick. So you'll see right here, if I mouse over that, if I'm already subscribed, obviously, to my own channel, or I don't have to subscribe, but if somebody clicks on here, the subscribe would be automatically there, and they could just click it and subscribe. If they wanted to watch the next recommended video, they can click on this and it'll pop up. Or if I want them to get this, and I can actually customize the text in there, get my free book, and they click on it, it opens up the book, or the page that I wanted them to, and now I can get them to download my book. So if I did a YouTube video specifically on network marketing training and say, hey, I got a free book, you can download it. It'll be at the end of this video. I'll just click on that, and you'll be able to go to it. It would be right here, and boom, I've got that set up. They'd be good to go, and boom, we're good to go. So that's what they call the end screen annotations. And now the cards are a little different, but cards are a little bit different, but they're a little similar.
Hey, Mike Healy
the
here.
cool part about the cards is you can actually time them out. You can actually move them around. You can add up to 5 on here. And what's nice about cards is you can do pretty much the same thing, but it's going to live right here, and they can go to them immediately, and you can have a little call to actions. So as an example, I'm going to click create. I'm going to do my book again, because it's different. It is different, and it's going to give a download PDF because I've already done this before. I'm going to change that image so it looks like a nice image. I'm going to open it. We're going to create the card. So what happens is once the card's created, you've seen these little things, these little information things. When somebody clicks on it, it pulls that up. Now if they clicked on it, it would redirect them to that same page. Okay. Now I'm going to add another one. Now the other one I'm going to do is check this out. This is kind of cool. Let's say I was doing something in this video, and I wanted people to comment on it, and I wanted to take a poll. You can actually go in there and create a poll, like, are you interested in a product, or opportunity. And somebody says product, opportunity. And then I click create the card. Cat. Sorry, my cat's making some noise there. So now this is right here. Now if I clicked on product, what's going to happen is it's actually going to do a real-time poll right there. So based on, you know, I could have 100, I could have 100,000 people hit this video. And what's cool is people will go in here and this tracks this data for you. Now what I'll do is, now that that's cards there, if I click on info and settings, and then I'm going to go back to cards. Now you'll notice this changed right here. See that little poll results? You can actually click on it and it's going to show you the poll results. So you could literally go through, you know, you could promote the video and so like that and say, hey, I've got, you know, do you really like these ads? Do you really like this? Do you really like this product? And you can have real-time, you know, data come up here so you can check it out, which is kind of cool. So I would highly recommend that when you get your videos done, you do the end screens and the cards, which will promote information that you're driving traffic to within it, and it'll also help you boost your subscriber base because you want to add to each one to that. And also you'll be able to forward, you know, direct people to watch other videos that you might want them to go visit. So pretty cool things, and hope you like that one, and I'll see you on the next video.